What's up, guys? I wanted to show you these lids for the 5-gallon refillable bottles. So if you go to a water station to fill your water and you want to have a cap, these work great. So all you're going to simply do is you're gonna once you fill the water up, you're going to make sure this piece right here is tucked in and slip on like so. It's good for transportation. I've had no problem with these leaking or anything like that, but what I always do, which may be different for some people, I always strap in the bottle with the seatbelt. But that being said, I've never had any spills. This has never accidentally went like that or anything like that, so I haven't had any problems. Overall, it is a great product, and it's good for transportation. And it's great to make sure that you keep your water sealed and it's not spilling all over the place. So if you purchase 5-gallon water jugs and do like a refillable water station, these are a no-brainer, guys, for sure.